Have you ever needed to speak up about something that bothered you, but then when you did, it somehow made things worse? Not alone. A lot of people confuse complaining and criticizing. One really can help a relation grow, and the other one, it can set it on fire. Welcome to this week's Build It or Break It. We're going to be discussing complaining or criticizing. One builds a bridge, the other burns it down. Let's get started. Complaining is training. That's right, complaining is training. It's a healthy skill that gives your relationship a fighting chance during times of trouble. When you complain with clarity and care, you're saying, hey, I have a need. Can we talk about it? Complaining has specifics. When you criticize, you're pointing fingers with a lot of absolutes, and people don't respond well to that. Here's the difference. A complaint says, I feel frustrated doing the dishes all alone. Can we share the cleanup a bit more? Or last night I asked you for help with the dishes and you never showed up. Can we not do that anymore if I ask you for help? Criticism is, you never help. You're always so selfish. One builds a bridge, the other sets it on fire, and then pours gasoline on it. Criticism doesn't often lead to change. What it leads to is defensiveness on the part of the other person. No one says, you're right, I'm lazy and inconsiderate, thanks for the feedback. No. They either shut down, argue, or start listing your faults in return. Because when we attack the person instead of the problem, we miss the whole point. Love doesn't grow in a hostile environment. Here's a little secret. A good complaint is a love letter in disguise. It says, I care enough to speak up. I care about us. Let's work this out together. Try this framework next time. When blank happened, I felt blank. What I really need is blank. Like when you walked away while I was talking, I felt hurt. I need to know you're listening when we talk. That's not an attack. That's a specific instance. You're sharing how you felt, and it's an invitation to connect. You don't have to bottle things up, but you don't have to explode either. You really do have to choose. Do I complain or do I criticize? Complaining is specific, sharing what you need, and building a bridge. Criticizing has a lot of absolutes that are often unnecessary, and it burns bridges down. Complaining builds bridges, criticizing burns them. Speak your truth, but do it in a way that keeps love in the room, because connection is always worth fighting for, not against. This is Mike Sansone with Reaching Hearts, and I'm on a mission to inspire a world where love isn't just a feeling, it's a daily practice. Thank you for subscribing, and if you like this video, please click the like below. And if you want to explore more topics like this, be sure to check out other videos on my channel. Let's strengthen our love, and let's keep building better love muscles. We'll see you in the next video.